With Layer Boss, I can manage my Civil 3D object layers and my layer manager set in Excel instead of the slow, tedious interface within Civil 3D. I can simply export my object layers to Excel, and once there, I have all the flexibility that Excel provides me. I can copy and paste layers as I see fit, drag and drop. Anything that I can do in Excel, I can now manage those object layers in this way. I get drop-downs with my export that behave in the same way that Civil 3D does, losing none of the functionality that Civil 3D provides. Coming back to Civil 3D, I simply point to that Excel sheet. It'll even flag layer names that are inappropriate, so I can go back and change that in Excel, reload in Civil 3D, and then sync those changes. If I look at my object layers, we'll see that those cyano layers and other changes that I made came through. Same with the layer manager. What if I could just export that, be it the current drawing, XREFs, or additional drawings, all to one spreadsheet, and then simply work within Excel. I can sort this any way I want. I can do simple drag and dropping. I could add, I could delete layers here, controlling color, plot styles, you name it. Save it here. Simply come back to Civil 3D and point to that Excel spreadsheet and sync those changes. It'll give me a report, what's been updated, what's added, deleted,